try the alternative, kind of using force. Mud flaps here from Amazon. Pretty nice. These are the same ones I have on there before. As you can see, they're actually very flexible. They don't really break easily, but I guess if you're running over frozen ice chunks in minus 40-degree weather, I guess it would break anything, right? Model 3, front right. Also comes with a toolkit with the push pins to lock them in. Just put it in. And when you're ready, you push it in, or screw it in this case, and the bottom there expands and holds it. So as you can see, there's a lip here, and it hooks just right onto the back of this. There's a couple of them. And this here is the first screw that you can pop right out. And then the second screw right here that pops right out. And it comes right off. It's actually really quick to install and pretty easy. the alternative, kind of using force. This one's broken anyways. Oh boy. Now to get some pliers. So it's supposed to pop out easily, but they've been in there for 2 years, so I'm gonna get some pliers and pull that one out. Alright, now that I made it more difficult than it should have been, I'm grabbing the front left mud flap, and as you can see, everything lines up there. With that, you will tuck in behind the fender there. So it just squeezes right in, just like that. See the bottom holes there. They do line up. I'm going to take these plastic screws, put it in, just line up the bottom one, stick it straight in, as you can see, and once I'm ready I'll push in or screw in the very end there. Make sure everything's seated properly when I'm ready. That one there was very easy, popped right in. This one's a little bit more difficult. Use something as leverage. And it just went right in, just like that. It's actually nice and secure. That's how easy it is to install the mud flaps on your Tesla. Looks good. Prevent all the mud and dirt from flying up onto your side panels. Moving on to the rear. See the same width. Just tuck it into. And the rear one only has one little plastic nut that you just pop in there.